Hi there, welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. I'm Brooke, and today we are going to be making a wonderful carrot, sweet potato, and coconut milk soup. This is a soup that I make often. I make it pretty much for every Canadian Thanksgiving and also for every Christmas dinner and many times in between. It's a fantastic soup. It always has rave reviews from the people that eat it, and I think that you'll really love it. Okay, let's get started. First thing that we have to do for this carrot sweet potato soup is we have to heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil. As you can hear, probably with the little bit of crackling, the oil is hot. I am now going to add 1 large chopped onion. Probably medium-sized carrots chopped. And 1 medium peeled and chopped sweet potato. I'm just going to let that cook for a little bit. I'm going to put the lid on and let it cook until the onions are soft and the carrots and sweet potatoes are soft. Okay, now I'm going to be adding 3 large cloves of garlic that I've chopped up. I'm just going to make a little space at the bottom of the pot and just add that. And I will let that cook for about 2 minutes before I add the vegetable broth. Now that the vegetables have softened up quite a bit, I'm going to add 4 cups of vegetable stock. Now I'm just actually adding 4 cups of water and 2 vegetable bouillon cubes. So there goes the 4 cups of water. And I'm going to crumble up 2 vegetable bouillon cubes. And I'm going to stir that all together. I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then once it's boiling, I will turn it down and simmer it for 20 minutes with the lid on. Okay, it's now boiling, so I am going to turn it down to simmer and simmer it with the lid on for 20 minutes. The vegetables are now soft, and now I have my trusty hand blender that I'm going to use to blend up the soup so it's nice and creamy.
Oh, jeez. Caught that.
When you're blending soup with a hand blender, stand far away so you don't get splattered.
Flying everywhere.
I know. It's all blended up. I'm now going to put salt and pepper into the soup, or pepper and salt first. Ooh, that was like a pepper stem. Let's fill in. Pepper stem, whatever that is. Here, we can. I'm also going to add a full can of coconut milk, full fat coconut milk. Woo! And stir that around. Makes it nice and creamy. This is delicious soup. Look at that. Looks lovely. All right, I'm going to put this magnificent soup into the bowls. I think I'm just getting it all over the place as well. And we will be tasting it soon. I'm just going to put a little bit of parsley on top to make it look pretty. And also because parsley is good for us. Okay, now we're going to taste this superb soup.
One of my favorites. Oh,
Delicious. So good.
Mm-hmm.
Really easy to make and big time worth it. Really good. I'd say
It's rock star quality.
rock star quality. Okay, well, I hope that you all give this soup a try. It's truly delicious. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the little bell so that you are notified when future videos come out. Thanks a lot, and take care.
All right.
Is that okay?
Yeah. Probably good.